Hello, this is Barry McCormick. Welcome back to our BastilleBSD series of how-tos on using BastilleBSD. Um, in this episode, I'm going to talk about the package command. If you look up on the screen, as usual, I have the documentation up. I'm looking at the latest documentation. The package command allows you to do any command you can do using package and command line. If you look at the right here in the white section, it do more than just install. It can update, upgrade, audit, clean, auto remove. So the package command leverages package and can do everything it can do. Package all, upgrade. You can use targeting all and do upgrades. So let's look at this. Little console back over here. Okay. Okay, I got a few jails here. If you've seen any of the other videos, you've seen me do installs. Thick 3. I'm going to install Nginx. Again, I've not installed anything on this system, so it's going to say, hey, I need to install the package file. It's downloading the package file and getting ready to install it. Once it gets through with this, it'll pop up and ask me, okay, am I sure I want to install Nginx? Tell it yes. Like I said, if you've seen the other videos, you've seen me install packages a bunch of times. Now, I didn't mean to put Nginx on that one. I just deinstalled Nginx off of it. Oops. Let's run upgrade. All the packages are up to date. I just built these, so they're all. If I do Bastille package all upgrade, it's going to run through every one of the trying to do an upgrade. Oh, thick 2 is down. Now it's up. Ran the updates, where if there's any updates to any of the packages. So you can use package to do any of those commands. Like I said, my demo isn't very good because all of these were created today. So they all have the latest and greatest packages on there. But using the package upgrade, you don't have to log in. You can just Bastille package and install, update, upgrade, clean, auto remove, any command you can run from the command line. Anything I can do package, you know. If I look at command supported from package, there's all the commands package. You should be able to run every last one of those using package. Let's do. See, I just ran help. Package is version 2.1.0. It's the only thing I got installed on VNet 1. Looking at these others, it makes repositories. It shows, oh, we're running quarterly. Again, any command you can run with package on the command line, you can use the Bastille package command. So hopefully it gives you a little insight into the package command and shows you how useful it is. Happy computing.